sorry. Okay. Now. No! This is so annoying. No. Please. Oh my god. Hello guys, it's the Blazing Carter. Today we are going to play Obby but you're a bird. Today we are going to be going to the 200 meters and yeah, it's part 3. If you guys haven't watched the other part, just go and watch it out. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so quick recap. So quick recap on Obby but you're a bird. Today we're we're in height 150. Sorry. Okay. So basically we have to go up to become a bird, you know, all those things. Okay, so let's get right. Okay, that is a very annoying thing to do. Okay, oh no. Okay. I really don't. Why is it here? Oh my god. Yep. No. Now. No! This is so annoying. This is so annoying. I can't believe I have to do this. I don't want to be stuck in it. I don't want to be like, I don't want to do this in it. I don't want to dedicate this stupid level to an episode. Now. 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 Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. Come on, please. Okay, now. Okay, now. Pain. Okay. Okay, so I kinda died. So yeah, this I am actually gonna crash out. Pain. Oh, there's a purple bird. Ooh. I cannot really do this, can I? Oh my goodness. Now. Come on, please. Okay. No! Okay, sorry guys if that was too loud, but it's glitching. Now. No. I'm gonna stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 seconds. That's a bit too fast. No. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Please, I don't wanna. Okay. Let's not try to come on. I just need to get it there. My god. I'm so cooked, guys. I'm so cooked. This is just pain. Okay, so I made it, guys. Okay, come on. Just stay calm. And yes. Oh, I remember this. This is the last part. Oh my. I remember this. Earlier in part 2, I was right there and I just fell. So come on. Okay, a bit trippy, but okay, I don't know how to do this. Okay, Yep. Yep. Let's get. No. Please, please. Oh my god. I don't know what to jump. Okay. Come on. I need that. I'm gonna. If I die, guys, I'm so sorry, but I think I'm gonna have to like stop this thing. And this is gonna be a short one, or one of a heck short one. So no. Oh yes. Yes. It's no now. Okay. Oh my goodness! I finally finished one of that. I get a curse, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a bit troubles. Okay, never mind. Okay. Like going right here. Let's try to speedrun this thing. Hopefully that doesn't end bad. I don't know where to go. Yep, here. Okay, okay, jump here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got more blocks, so let's do this. Now. Okay, it's okay, yeah, as long as you don't die. Oh. Wait, where do you go? What? I didn't realize that. Where do you go? No, I don't think you go anywhere. Sorry, please. Oh yes! Wow. To be honest, 160 is like way more easy than 150. I don't know why. Where do you go? I think that is. Isn't that impossible or something? Where do you go? Is that true? Okay, jump. Oh, never mind. My perspective sucks, to be honest. Yup. Yup. Hey guys, if you guys want to see me playing Forsaken, comment down below. Oh, this is probably a good time to say it, but I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and be sure to like and subscribe. Those will really help me out to reaching my goal of about 50 subscribers. So yeah, it will be very supportive. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay, so here. Yep. Okay. Go next. Yep. Jump. Okay. Well, I'm not sure. Okay. Now. Now. Okay. Yep. Now. Where did I do it? How did I do that? Oh, I'm a bird. I forgot. I'm a bird. Oh, 190. Okay. No! Yes! I am so close to 200 meters. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay. No! Okay. It's okay. Now. Just wait. Oh. Oh my god. I really need that paint block, to be honest. Okay, so we got another spinny. Oh my god, oh yeah, I wasn't prepared. Oh my god, swag down. Oh my god, swag down. Come on. Yay, swag down. Okay, there's no population. Okay, we still got about, yay, but we still got about 50 more meters to go. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. So yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Okay, that's it for me. Have a nice day.